This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook food from your garden. Harvesting your produce at its peak ensures the best taste and nutritional value. Always remember to wash all your vegetables thoroughly to remove any soil or debris before you begin cooking. Simple cooking methods are often the best way to truly highlight the fresh, vibrant flavors that come directly from your garden. We'll explore some easy techniques to get you started right away. For quick meals, sautéing is fantastic. Just a few minutes in a hot pan with a little oil, about 5 to 7 minutes, can transform your greens. Roasting at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit brings out a wonderful sweetness in root vegetables and squash. Or, if you prefer to keep things light, steaming is an excellent way to preserve the nutrients and vibrant colors of your garden bounty, often taking less than 10 minutes. To truly maximize the flavor and nutrition of your garden produce, consider adding fresh herbs directly from your garden. A sprinkle of basil or a sprig of rosemary can elevate any dish. Cooking vegetables lightly, rather than overcooking them, helps retain their essential vitamins and minerals. Aim for a crisp, tender texture. Make it a habit to incorporate your garden's bounty into every meal for a healthier, more flavorful diet. Sometimes your garden produces more than you can eat immediately. Proper storage is key. Leafy greens, for example, can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week in an airtight container. Root vegetables, like carrots and potatoes, will keep for several months in a cool, dark place. For a longer-term solution, blanching and freezing excess produce is a simple and effective way to enjoy your harvest year-round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.